So this is how his hair is looking at the moment. He doesn't want to get it done. He hates having his hair done. Right, Baba?
No.
Why?
Just want to be on my iPad.
Okay, we're almost finished. So I had to section his hair out, comb them out, and I put them into little twists that they won't be knotted when we start to wash. Okie dokie. So this is the process I have to do with him every single time because he hates washing his hair. So I'm just getting the bar ready because he likes to have splish splash. He doesn't want me to sprinkle. So he wants to sit down and play while I wash his hair. So that's what we're gonna do. So this is why I, separate the hair and make them into little twists. So now I can wash and scrub it up, dub. And it's still, in sections. All right, this is gonna make it easier. We don't have no time for no crying and no, hard work. All right.
Hold it. Oh, that was quick.
Was that quick?
Yeah.
Okie dokie. We're all done. Okay.
Yep.
So I'm going to be using my High Priestess Crown Butter and also my oil that I made for low porosity, because if you follow me, you know my son has low porosity hair. So I'm going to use the gel as well. So the clove gel is made for low porosity, and I'm going to use this on his hair. So I'll oil the scalp first and make sure that, everything is nice and saturated in his strands. I give him a little massage because I'm using one hand to do the filming. You're not going to see it, but I actually rub this in properly, to the scalp and get the cream in as well and moisturize his hair as well. And then I retwist them until I did all of them like that. So I'm just detangling it right now and combing through all of the, the tangles and the shedding of his hair. So as you can see, I'm starting his style. So I start using the gel to style his hair, and I'm doing some braids. All right. So this is how soft his hair is after, treatment. So I'm just showing you how we're getting on. So he's a boy. Yes, some people think he's a girl, but he's a boy actually. And he doesn't want me to cut his hair. When he was little, his hair wasn't growing properly, so I had to cut it and, make sure everything was back. So this has been like what? I think it's been 3 years now. 3 years now since I cut his hair. So it's growing back really nicely. So I'm just, doing a quick style for him because he don't like me being in his head at all. But I try to do this weekly. The longest we go is like probably 3 weeks. So this is the first week I'm showing you that I'm grooming his hair, and then I'll show you how long it lasts before I take it out again. But he was getting so impatient, and we only did one row at the bottom, so I had to be moving fast. All right. Full speed ahead. So after I did the whole head, I placed him underneath the dryer, and I made sure I took some of the gel out because I didn't want it to get too white and flaky. So after I did his whole head, I sprayed him up as well, oil sheen, and make sure his hair was nice and moisturized. So when I finish doing everything, I'm gonna place him underneath the hooded dryer, and let him dry for a while. So those colors in his hair, you won't be there anymore because those are the gels. So yeah, but I love this style I'm giving him. Kind of suit him so well, and he loved it too. And yeah, we get in there, we get it done. It was like, no, we're not. So it's like, oh, I just want to be finished. But because he had his iPad, he was a bit, okay, watch him. But anyways, see, we reach up to the top, and he was a very lovely client. I really full dried doing his hair, and he was very peaceful today. So as I go along, I just made up the style. I never know what I was doing, and I made it up. So now he's underneath the dryer with him like a do-rag on and thing. And this is the final product, This is how him look. Him look nice and sweet and handsome. And I really love the style, You make him look really, really like a little boy instead of a girl. So now people won't mistake and call him a girl. Oh, she's gorgeous. No, he's handsome. So there you have it. Using my DIY homemade products, which I've got online. So if you're interested, just visit us online, and I'll leave it in the description box below.
Hi.
So this has been what, 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Yep. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Good boy. And it's not looking too bad. And he's not been using his do-rag, but he's got a silk pillow, so that's made a whole lot of difference. But this is how it looks 2 weeks after.